checking out this market. Today we have Green Day. Green Day all over. Green Day, it is powering in the altcoin market. Bitcoin and the larger cap alts aren't moving too much. They're just ranging at the moment, which is absolutely beautiful for altcoins. YFI is pumping. CVC is pumping. It's 75%. Look at this, 72, 53, 41, 37, 35, 27, 26, 25. It just, the list goes on. Everything is going off. It is absolutely powering. At the moment, we can see here I've got a little setup on VET to BTC. Now, last time this thing started to square up was around that 40, 45 area. So if you could see it come down here, down around the 45 area, and then start to boom up through this top trend line, just touched a few times here. It could be a little bit further down, but it'll get squeezed by the 200 as well. So once we're on top of the 200 and all the moving averages start to roll above the 200, hopefully we can see a nice little pump here like this. So maybe 3x. Last time it done about 3x, I think. Yeah, there you go, 3.5. But you're probably not going to get everything out of that. But if you get 2x, 3x, you'd be super happy. Alrighty, over to BTC. We're forming a weird ascending triangle, and it's retouched this as we talked about in the last video, and we have come out of that triangle and pumped back into it, which is nice. Big dump there. So over the next day, I'd say we're going to see some kind of move out of Bitcoin. Whether it's to the upside or downside, we'll have to see and see what we think about this trend line here, if it will respect that as well, and also this weird double top. So like we've got this trend line here which it respected last time, and if it comes down, breaks out of this double top, and then it might respect this one as well. So hopefully it will respect these, and we can turn on this for a second, and you can see that we got good support down here, not too much support through here anymore. So it's another one to keep in mind for BTC. By the breakout of this here, the top side. So these generally break out about 63% to the top side, and we've had some good upside movement. So 63% upways, it's a better chance than it going downways. So by the breakout of this top, a good close with good volume. Moon mission. As we can see here, we'll head over to the weekly chart. Hasn't closed this high. So if you're still looking at this double bottom idea, which we all are, and we all want to as well. So you're looking at a big double bottom there, and then we've got another double bottom here. So our targets are pretty big for this double bottom. And if we're looking at our targets, they range all the way up to nearly all-time highs. So if we just take it off, we'll just take it off this one, and we'll just come to the neckline here, and where we broke out roughly, there's good 20 odd thousand there. So if we could go to all-time highs, moon boots are strapped on. I love this. Pullbacks, definitely going to happen. Now, as you can see here, pretty parabolic. Here it went parabolic as well. So you can, if you see this, then if you're getting pretty excited about a trade, then it's might be some good time to take profits and lock it in, because around 16 area there's going to be a lot of people taking profits. So make sure you're taking profits first. This is rolling over your stotch, probably rolling over here, but you still got good separation with your MACD as well. Dominance coming down, as you probably know. We're always talking about dominance here, and dominance is super important, because when this dominance here is dropping, altcoins are absolutely powering, as you already know. We're in this little thing, so this kind of looks like all the altcoins. If you look at most of the altcoin charts, you'll be able to see this, which is Ethereum. You just look at Ethereum, you'll be able to see here. and hopefully we can break above this little double bottom. Kind of looks like a double bottom, as VET was putting in, VET or VChain. We'll have a look at the Fear and Greed Index, extreme greed still. So counter trade this as well. Make sure you lock in profits and keep that cash close to your chest. Link is starting to look pretty good. I think it's in this uptrend here, and hopefully we can bust above this 13.25ish, probably a bit higher. But it's been running nicely, and then has this kind of looks like a bit of a bull flag. So if it breaks out the top of this bull flag, it'll break out this 1325 area, which is these different resistance zones here as well. It's just banging on the ceiling, banging on the ceiling, banging on the ceiling, banging on the ceiling. Didn't quite get there, and now we're trying to bang on the ceiling again. So every time it bangs on the ceiling, it breaks down another a barrier for us. So hopefully we can break here, and go long on Link for all-time highs as well. Everything's slowly trending upwards as well, which is nice on Link. Quick one here is Enjin, ENJ. This here has been really good support, broke underneath it, so it's come down, coming back up, put in a funny double bottom. So you can see there's the double bottom here, and it's trying to break it. Plus the 200 is here as well. So if it could break that 200 plus this area here, which is good demand or was good demand, then there's possibility to see somewhere up here, which is good 22 odd percent. If we could get up to here and be on this ceiling as well, so you get back into this channel, and then it keeps squaring up, and then keeps on moving. S&P 500 broke out of this little funny triangle that it was kind of forming, like a bit of a wedge, and it was kind of symmetrical maybe, and broke out the top side, but it's putting in a big wick at the moment. So this was on good news of COVID-19 vaccines. Everything was virtually was pumping, mainly travel stocks as well. They were absolutely on fire today if you're into S&P 500 and traditional markets, but most of the stuff was up today, which was pretty good.